Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Analytics and WIX tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to set up Google Analytics straight into our WIX website quickly and easily. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Step number one, you are going to log into your Google Analytics account and you are going to navigate to admin from the bottom left. So you're going to go to bottom left, click admin, and you're going to land on this screen. Then you're going to find data streams under data collection modification, and you're going to click on data streams. You're going to select your data stream and you're going to copy your measurement ID. Once you copy your measurement ID, you are going to go to your WIX backend. So you are going to navigate to the behind the scenes of your WIX website. We're going to use the search bar here on the top right, and we're going to look for marketing integrations, and we're going to select marketing integrations here. Once you land on this screen, you are going to see Google Tag as the first option. So all you have to do is click connect. You need to click here, add the Google Tag ID. You are going to paste your ID here and you're going to save. And that's it. That's all you have to do to actually connect your Google Analytics with your WIX website. Now, why Google Tag? Because Google recently combined all the tags, Google Analytics, Google Ads, and all the other tools into one. So you're going to come here, you are going to paste your measurement ID, and that's it. That's the new process. Now, one small detail, you can also come to marketing integrations from settings. If you don't want to use the search bar, you can go from the left-hand side. You can click on settings here. You can scroll down. You can find marketing integrations. And again, you're not going to see Google Analytics, Google Ads, and all the tools separately at this stage. You're going to see Google Tag. You're going to click connect. You're going to open this button. You're going to paste it and save. That's it. And that's why you see here that the system accepts multiple measurement IDs, right? So whether it's your Google Analytics 4 or your Google Ads, the process is exactly the same. That's it. That's the updated process. I hope it was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time.